Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 6. This module we're going to be talking about symptoms and conditions, so hopefully not any symptoms that anybody's feeling right now. Once again, the page numbers jump around a little bit, and there's also articles here because we do have a discussion board this week, so make sure you read the articles and get ready to answer the discussion board showing that you read the articles. And there's also video that explains a little bit about the difference between ser and estar, the two verbs to be, and there's other information about that as well. So make sure you go through all those materials. Now, I have something here that says upcoming assignment field specific project. So the field specific project is due in week 8, in module 8. I actually don't want you to start doing anything about it now because we're going to have more time in module 7 and module 8 to actually work on it. But the reason I'm putting this here is because it's an interview project. So you're going to need to find someone to interview. And I don't want you to get to module 8 and be like, oh, I have nobody to interview. So start looking at the instructions. Basically, you're going to find someone in your field or the field you want to get into. So if you're going into dental hygiene or, maternity nursing, whatever field you're going into, you're going to find someone to interview, and you're basically going to ask them, what do you do when you get patients who don't speak English? Like, what's the procedure? Do you have, flashcards with different words on them? Do you have a translator? Just how do they manage that situation? And then you're going to have some specific words for that field that you're going to look up in Spanish and English. So again, I don't want you to actually start doing it this week, but start thinking about it so that by the time we get to module 8, you're all set up. So think about the timeline like this module, think about someone to interview, reach out to them this week or next week and actually set up your interview. So that way module 8, you can do the interview, write the paper, and be done. Okay, so for this week, we have the homework packet like always. The speaking assignment, you're going to answer those questions pretending that you are sick. And then we have the discussion board, so make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday. And then the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.